Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Excel source and tools. Save and close the workbook so links and formulas stabilize. This prevents partial exports. Install a PDF printer or Acrobat add-in if your Office lacks native export, because that gives consistent formatting control. Once done, choose whether you need one worksheet, the entire workbook, or just a selected range. This choice determines the page setup and scaling you'll apply next, so pick deliberately. Now you control layout so the PDF looks right. In page layout, set margins, orientation, and scaling. Fit to one page wide, for example, prevents truncated columns. Use print area and page break preview to include exactly what you want. This avoids blank pages. Then choose Export Create PDF/XPS or print to your PDF printer, because these paths embed fonts and preserve formulas as values. Make sure to select options like Optimize for standard or minimum size, depending on delivery. Finish by reviewing the PDF thoroughly. Check fonts, alignment, and that hidden rows didn't slip in. If columns are cut off or links break, reopen Excel, redefine the print area, and export again. Updates to the PDF printer driver or toggling embed fonts often fixes rendering errors. If file size is large, use Optimize or Compress tools to reduce MBs while preserving legibility. One key tip: reproducible problems usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.